My last question, initially, blah, 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 at equilibrium, blah, blah, blah. When I see initial and equilibrium, I need to do an ice chart. Two moles of A in a 5-liter container. Moles divided by liters. 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. For B, 3 moles in a 5-liter container. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. Since I'm not told starting values for C and D, I assume they're 0. The 0 side of the reaction must increase. So the opposite side of the reaction is going to decrease. At equilibrium, C is 0.15 molar. That's already in molarity, so I don't divide it by liters. I'm just going to put it here as 0.15. Now I know this entire column. So that's the column that I'm going to use to solve for x. 0 plus x equals 0.15, or x equals 0.15. Now that I know what that is, I can plug it into every other column. 0.4 minus 0.15. 0.6 minus 2 times 0.15 gives me 0.30. 0 plus 0.15 gives me 0.15. The question asked me to find K. So to find K, I'm going to plug my equilibrium values into my equilibrium expression. I'm writing the equilibrium expression right now. That's something you want to show for every reaction in equilibrium. Okay, plugging in my equilibrium values, 0.15 for C, 0.15 for D, and then for A, 0.25, and B is 0.3, and I'm not going to forget to square B. 0.15 squared, because 0.15 times 0.15, divided by 0.25, and divided by 0.3 squared gives me a K value of 1.